Welcome to another video. Today I will be sharing a multi-time frame analysis on a specific pair. So I will be taking it, analyzing it from a technical perspective, then analyzing it from a COT perspective, so fundamental perspective, the commitment of traders, what hedge funds are doing at the moment in the market, and by using the combination of these two different analyses, we will be looking at how we can be capitalizing on that pair. So the video will be very educational and I suggest that you watch it until the end. Now, if you're new to the channel, I'm a top author on the TradingView platform and I share free education and analysis on all my platforms daily. So I suggest you subscribe and I will see you in the video. Okay, so as I promised yesterday, today I will be sharing with you the multi-time frame analysis on EURCHF, showing you how we can be looking for another potential trading opportunity on this pair. So let's start by first of all showing you guys the multi-time frame analysis that led us to take the first trade to the upside with students on EURCHF for this nice 1-to-3 risk to reward. As I already did with the previous video, I will link the analysis in the description, in which I showed you before all this move happened that we were looking for potential longs and all the reasons. But anyway, I have to do this analysis also in this video because I need to show you the overall view on the pair to show you how we can be looking for potential trading opportunities this week on this pair again. So let's start by what we have from a weekly perspective. Now on the weekly time frame, as we have already seen, we have now created this very nice overextended M formation. Now, if you have an overextended M formation in the market, you want to see the market make a move to the upside to where? Exactly to the previous support here, now turned resistance at this area. And you want to see this move to the upside to hit this zone as the overall upside target for the completion of the formation. So immediately here we know that we have an overall upside target for EURCHF at this region, specifically here. Okay, let's put a horizontal ray exactly on our target. This is our overall upside target for a EURCHF, and we want to see the market hit this resistance area. Now, we also knew that we wanted to definitely see the start of this move to the upside because the market was clearly showing this deceleration. We started with a strong move, and then as you know, as you can see, every lowered low, it was followed by a strong move to the upside. Buyers kicking in again buyers entering the market, again buyers entering the market. And if you see the market start to lose its momentum, you definitely expect the move to the upside to happen quite soon. So from a weekly perspective, everything clear. We want to see the market make a move to the upside. Let's quickly check what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, because as well helps us understand what we can expect for EURCHF. And then we will move down on the daily time frame. So what do we have at the moment from a COT perspective? Just a quick reminder, make sure you comment below and you let me know which pair or topic you would like me to cover or analyze in the next video. Let's start from what we have on the euro, how hedge funds and big institutions are positioned in the market from a euro perspective. What we can see overall is that we went from minus 114k net positions to 75k net positions with the last report that just came out. So we can clearly see that we went from having more shorts than longs to having more longs than shorts from an institutional perspective on the euro, with 175k long positions and 99k shorts. And with the last report, we can also see that hedge funds have added another 7.2k longs from a euro perspective, and at the same time they added a little bit more shorts, because definitely we do expect a retracement, as I will now show you from a daily point of view. We go and see what we have from a CHF perspective, and we can notice that CHF has been getting quite strong, from minus 3k to plus 8k. So from having more shorts than longs to having more longs than shorts. However, with the last report, we have seen some profit taking on the longs. We haven't seen some shorts adding, that is true, but we have seen some longs closing. So at the moment, from a CHF perspective, we must acknowledge that it is strong, but we can expect the euro to continue to get stronger than the CHF. So for Euro CHF to continue the move to the upside. So let's go down on the daily and see what kind of situation we have on the daily. Now, if you remember, in the previous analysis that I had made on Euro CHF, which is linked in the description so you can go and check it out, after the impulse to the upside, what did I say? I said, expect a retracement to this zone, and then with students, we are looking for a potential buying opportunity if our rules will be satisfied. And in fact, the market gave us this very nice move to the upside, and we were able to capitalize on the move applying our rules that obviously I can't share all the rules for entry, but what I can share is that we simply had a previous resistance, now turned support at this area. Is this enough to execute a position? Obviously not. There's a lot of more rules that we have to apply in order for us to for this to be a valid entry for us. But this is a very key technical concept that all of you need to know. Previous resistance, turn support, structure, level, which can be used for entry. Obviously, you need other rules as well. You can't just have only this as our entry rule because it won't work. But it is definitely something important that you need to know. So now what happened? The market has created a higher high, so broken above a new structure level. And the new structure level that I'm speaking about is this one here, this previous resistance. In fact, from here, the market started this retracement, and this level here is now turned support, because as you know, in the market, previous resistance will be turned support. So you expect the market to go and test this previous resistance, turn support, respect it, and create a continuation to the upside to test our overall weekly upside target. So how we will be approaching this kind of situation with students? Now we know that we have previous resistance, turn support here. We know that the market seems to have already started their retracement to the downside. Now, if we want to measure a retracement in the market, what are you supposed to be doing? You're supposed to be taking your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do this, what we can see? We can see that at the moment we have a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement lining up perfectly with this previous resistance, now turned support. And we definitely want to see the market go and hit this support area before continuing to the upside. So the way in which we will be approaching the continuation on Euro CHF with students is very simple. First, we need to see a deeper retracement. If the market will give us a deeper retracement, then we will be looking for a potential trading opportunity on the retest of this previous resistance, now turned support, in which, as we have just seen, we have also the confluence of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement taken on the impulse. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries inside of this area, then what we will be doing? We will be taking a nice long position with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the upside if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries. Because it's very, very important, as usual, to be reactive in the market and not predictive. So when the market will actually manage to reach this area, what we will be doing? If the market will just remain bearish all the time, then this area will break to the downside. So it's very important to monitor what we have on the 4 hours. So if everything will remain bearish, when the market will approach this confluence of support, then this area will break and we will have to adjust as traders to the new market structure. But if we will see the market inside of here shift from a bearish market to a bullish market, as we should see, then we will be waiting for one of our valid entries, and if the market will provide it to us, we will be taking a nice long with a beautiful risk to reward and very good probabilities for the market to make a move to the upside and provide to us a nice trading opportunity. And it's very, very important to always be reactive and not predictive in the market and follow your rule-based strategy. Otherwise, what happens? What happens is that you are not trading, you are gambling because you're not applying an edge in the market, which is the key to consistency when it comes to trading. So this is overall what we have for Euro CHF, and I suggest if the rules of your own strategy are applying as well, to follow this pair, because definitely if this happens, it will provide a nice trading opportunity. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. Also, make sure you go and check out the mentorship program. You'll find the link in the description. It's a very complete program. You first learn all the rules of my strategies and then you trade them live with me. Each and every day I give you a new daily market breakdown showing you exactly how to apply these strategies with entry, stop, and take profit, as well as answering every question that you have each and every day. So it's a very complete program, the best that you can find out there. The link is in the description and I will see you in the program.